car parts. Wow, my hair is getting really long. I ordered something off eBay for the S2000. Saw the tracking number yesterday and it had been delivered yesterday. So very excited, ran downstairs, opened up the door to see my big old package, and I got this. It's a roll of 3M tape. Yeah, I don't like the lighting here. Come back here with me. So I messaged the seller on eBay. I was like, hey, so what's the deal? Is this what I get for my 130 bucks? Or is the actual thing coming a bit later? They're like, yeah, oh, we're sorry, that's just a spare. The other thing is coming in the next 2 days. I'm kind of convinced that they straight up messed up, but today, I got big box. Yeah, made in Taiwan. Represent. I mean, if the fitment's good, I'll keep this in. If it's not, I'll cut it out. Anyways, let's get her open. Well, it looks like I apparently forgot to hit the record button when I was opening the box, so we'll just have to fake it. Look how it reflects those broken LED strips. Ooh, DTO. So, as you guys could probably tell, this is a OEM style, not actual OEM, carbon fiber deck lid spoiler for the S2000. Oh, it's so light and shiny. But it seems like it's actually pretty good quality. It's a nice closed off back with an embossed DTO logo. That wasn't their name on eBay. And then it's got hardware holes, which I won't be using because I don't want to drill into my trunk. Let's go see how this fits on the car. Gonna use some quick detailer, get this stuff, get some dust off so I don't end up scratching the car a whole bunch. No huge gaps, at least to my standards. Looks pretty good. Made in Taiwan. Alright guys, I'm actually going to be installing this tomorrow because I'm tired. I want to obviously take my time. I know it's a simple job, but take as much time as I need tomorrow. Because we just finished recording the podcast, I still have to record car crap, and I'm hungry. So yeah, we'll do this tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
It is a very hot day here in SoCal today. If you're wondering why the top is down, it's because I was helping Andrew's mom with some gardening earlier today, and she gave me garlic, which is very nice of her. Just comes with some undesired consequences. Air it out! Yeah, so, whew. Anyway, let's get this on, shall we? First step, after we've kind of cleaned off the surface and test fitted it, is, obviously to apply some 3M tape, which I'm gonna do within this kind of like raised lip here because we don't want any of that 3M showing while it's on the car because it looks horrible. I'm gonna follow Andrew's non-instructional video and we'll see how this goes. I don't know, is that enough 3M? I hope so. I hope so. Now, before I put it on, I'm gonna give this part a clean and probably a clay too. Make sure nothing is on there before I stick it on. I don't know if any of you have ever used one of these. It's what Chemical Guys calls their clay block. It's kind of like magic. It's like this foam thing. And it works, as far as I can tell, exactly like clay. And you don't have to keep throwing it away. It'll last up to 20 cars, they say. I mean, they could be just lying, could just be falling for marketing, but using it? Heck, the effect is there. That's not really going anywhere, is it? Huh, cool. Well, there you go. It's on. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna do some stuff to protect it, which means number one, I'm going to clay it so I can get all the junk off of it, and then I'm gonna seal it. In this case with Chemical Guys Jet Seal. I'm not sponsored by Chemical Guys, by the way. It would be nice, but I'm not. I just always run into them at auto shows, and they usually have pretty great discounts there, so I just pick up their stuff, and it's not bad stuff. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Okay guys, well, there it is. It is on. It's another day again because I realized that the last time I was filming this I forgot to record an ending to this video. But yeah, pretty sure this is gonna be quite the short video. It's on. I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I like it. Quick, simple little install. I got this off of a seller on eBay called OEM.thing. Since it fits well and since the customer service was, you know, relatively good, your experiences may vary, but I will recommend it. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked it, well, you can give it a dislike as well. Subscribe and share this video. Oh, I'm sorry, car. Subscribe and share this video with your friends if you would think they would like it. Listen to our podcast. That is our main thing going on around here. And you could probably catch some more of our quarantine videos coming up soon because we're not completely out of this situation yet. To do that, to get clips to our episodes, subscribe, follow us on our social medias. Everything will be linked down below. And yeah, I need a haircut, but you know, I'll live without one. It's fine. It's not like I looked very good anyways. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for hanging out during quarantine. Stay safe, and let's hang in there some more. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.